Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you delete Premiere Pro projects. So guys, let's just go to Premiere Pro, and as you can see all the projects are here, but you won't find any option to delete these projects from here. So just like if you click on this project, the project will be opened like this, and if you want to delete this project, let's just go from here, closing the project. And as you can see this project here, if you move your mouse cursor here, you will see the location of the project, and you need to just go through the location. So let's just go to the location, and after that here you can see all the projects are here, all the projects are going here. You can just delete any of this project if you want. Just like click on this project, right click and click on delete. You can also delete it from your recycle bin if you want. So guys, that's the only way you can delete projects from Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.